Good morning, my friends. This week in math, I am so excited. And do you know why I'm so excited? Can you guess what we're looking at this week? Patterns. And we know all about patterns, don't we? What is a pattern? Do you remember? It's a series of shapes or objects that repeat itself over and over again. So let's take a look at this first pattern. Ready? Say it with me. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What do you think would come next? A triangle? No. Circle. How do we know that? Because we see that there's a pattern. We always know what's going to come next. So if a circle came after this triangle, what would come after that circle? Another triangle. This is what we call a pattern unit. Let's take a look. We have triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So we know that after the circle, we have a triangle. It starts over. So these two together are what we call a pattern unit. This is what is going to repeat itself. So let's name the triangle A and the circle B. So we have A, B. What's going to come next? A, right? So it starts over. So when it starts over, we know that this is a pattern unit. Let's take a look at the next pattern. Ready? Say it with me. Heart, star, star, heart. Star, star, heart, star, star. So let's do this. We're gonna call our heart A. A, star, B. Now, this second star is going to be B2, okay? B. What letter are our hearts? A. A, B, B. A, B. So can you find the pattern unit for me? Do you know what the pattern unit is? Remember, we said that AB was our pattern unit. AB is what repeated itself over and over. What's our pattern unit down here? Is it just AB? Nope, it's going to be ABB, because then after that second B, it starts over. ABB. AB, oh, what would come next? B. So let me circle our pattern unit. That's all there is to it. Did you know that you can also make patterns at home? You can do them on paper, or you can do them with objects. So what if you took a cup, a plate, and a bowl? You could do cup, plate, bowl, cup, plate, bowl, cup, plate, bowl, over and over again, and you would have a pattern. Or maybe you take, let's think, blocks. You take a rectangle and then 2 squares. A rectangle, 2 squares. There are so many different ways that you can make patterns at home. I want to see what things you can make patterns with and how creative you can be.